Shalom, shalom, and you're welcome to this tutorial video. So, in this tutorial video, we'll be looking at how we can convert our website into an app. All right, we'll be looking at how we can convert our website into an app so that your users can be able to download the app onto their phones and use it. And we are going to learn how we can do this for free. All right, we are going to learn how we can do this for free. So yes, you can follow this tutorial on your phone or on your laptop, and any of them would be okay. So what you would do is first you go to your browser. Okay, you go to your browser, whether Google or Chrome or whichever one you are using, and then you search for App Geyser, and you search for App Geyser. Okay, so when you search for App Geyser, it will give you this. Okay, and then this is it, the first one. So you tap on it and you select that one. All right, yes. So after you select the App Geyser, you can first go ahead and sign in, or whichever one you like. But then let's go straight to the point, and then you tap on Create App for free. All right, so you tap on the Create App for free. So when you tap on the Create App for free, what it will do is that it will bring you to this page, and then on this page you switch to the URL, and then you input the link to the website that you want to convert into an app. Okay, so ghmart is an online platform that helps online vendors, okay, to create their own online store. And if you want to learn how you can also create your own online store, you can go into the description of this video and you can get that. All right, so the name of the app, you input it over here. Okay, we are going to make this one ghmart, and then you would also input your email to over here, and then you tap on next. So on the next page, that is where you are going to upload your app icon. Okay, so you tap on the upload icon. So after tapping the upload icon, you select the image that you want to be the icon of the app. So I've done exactly that, and then after that you can also select the color theme, but then blue already matches perfectly with the interface. So what we do is this: you just tap on the next step, and then on the next step you can just input any additional feature for the app. Okay, but I'm going to leave all of this empty, all right, because all of it is already inbuilt into the site. And then after that, we now tap on the next step. So after that is done, all you just have to do is now tap on the download. Okay, so when it taps on the download, wait for the page to load, and then on the load page you now have to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to continue with my Google account. Okay, you can sign in with your email or whichever one you want to do, but I'm going to sign in with Google, so we'll just make everything simple. So over here now, what you can do now is that you can just tap on the download app. Okay, so when you tap on the download app, okay, you can first download the test your app. So that's for the APK. So you can, yes, you can download the APK and install it on your phone. Yes, that one is there. Or you can also download the AAB or the iOS version. Now the AAB is the version that you use to publish to Google Play Store, and the iOS version is for the iPhones. All right, and if you want to share your app using a QR code, you can use that, or you can use this link. Okay, yes, and also yes, so what we are going to do is you just tap on the download APK so that you can download it manually into your own phone. Okay, yeah, you can download it manually into your own phone. If you are using a laptop, you can just use an Android emulator like LD Player or any of the other sorts to do that. Okay, so now as you can see, there are various other things like full publishing of Google Play, app source code, and all of this kind of stuff. Yes, this first of all of these are not free. Okay, first of all of these are not free. There is also the monetize section over here. Okay, so the download has started. The download has started. There's also the monetize section over here where you can use to monetize your app. It's not loading fully. Okay, yes, all of these are not free. For if you want to use all of these from AppGeyser, you would have to make a payment. All right, like I said, if you want to do this, you have to make a payment. So they are charging you $198, which is not the case, because to get your own Play console is cost way less than that. Okay, so if you want to take the progress and the growth of your app further, you want to take it far, you want to make it big. Okay, what you can do is you can go into the description of this video. Okay, and in the description of this video, that is when I'll show you how you can what manually create your own app. Okay, manually create your own app, make it much better than this, a much better procedure than this, where you can also monetize it and then upload it to the Google Play Store without having to pay any third party. Okay, without having to pay any third party. Yes, so you can go into the description of this video and sign up for that course. That course is going to walk you through everything. But then if you want to spend money, okay, if you want to give your money to people to do that for you too, then you can also come to me and I would do that for you. Okay, I can get it done for you. I can publish your app on Google Play Store for you and I can monetize it for you. Okay, so the download is done. Okay, so you can send this to your own WhatsApp on your phone and then download it on your phone. And if you use your own phone to do this, then you can now also download it into your phone. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial video. Do want to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go into the comment section. Say something beautiful concerning